Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best candle snuffer set is probably one of the most elegant and practical additions you can make to your candle-loving lifestyle, offering a safer and more sophisticated way to extinguish your favorite candles while adding a touch of class to your home decor. This video will explore the top candle snuffer sets on the market, examining their design, functionality, and overall value to help you find the perfect one to enhance your candlelit moments. Number 5. Candle Care Kit, Rose Gold. This elegant kit has everything you need for perfectly burning candles. It's designed for ease of use and long-lasting durability. The trimmer gives you a clean, precise cut to prevent soot and extend burn time. The snuffer prevents wick smoldering and wax splattering. It's made of durable, corrosion-resistant stainless steel for a long life. The polished finish adds a touch of elegance. These tools are surprisingly easy to handle, even for beginners. You'll enjoy perfectly trimmed wicks and cleanly extinguished flames. The snuffer is 9.25 inches long, the dipper is 7.87 inches, and the trimmer is 7 inches. Perfectly sized for various candle types. This beautifully designed kit makes a thoughtful gift for candle lovers or anyone who appreciates quality home accessories. It adds elegance to any home. What we like. This set contains everything you need for candle care. Its rose gold finish adds a touch of elegance to any home. If you appreciate quality and beautiful design, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Very sturdy and useful. Comes in a very useful velvet bag. Easy to use and assemble. Very pretty to display aside your candles. AMD very useful. Love the copper finish and the cute little felt bag to store it all in. Number 4. Candle Accessory Set. It comes in 6 beautiful colors to match your home decor. Find the perfect set for your style. This set helps your candles burn longer and cleaner. Enjoy your candles to the fullest. They're made of high-quality stainless steel. These tools are designed for years of use. It arrives in a beautiful gift box, ready for gifting. Surprise a loved one or treat yourself. We're a US-based company dedicated to your satisfaction. Contact us anytime with questions. What we like. It comes in various colors to match your home decor. The high-quality stainless steel ensures it will last for years. If you're looking for a stylish and durable set to give as a gift, this is it. What people say. Nice weight and quality. Works exactly as intended. I was concerned based on other reviews that one or both wouldn't work, but they both work great. The wick trimmer cut on all 3 candles I've been burning for the past few days without issue. Works great and wick scissors are plenty sharp. Number 3. YUOTOUY 4-in-1 Candle Accessory Set. This elegant set is a must-have for any candle lover. It's designed to enhance your candle experience and make it safer and more enjoyable. Made of polished stainless steel, it's built to last. Enjoy its exquisite design and worry-free durability. This trimmer ensures cleaner, longer-lasting burns. The clever tray design keeps your candle clean and safe. The snuffer's swivel head quickly extinguishes your candle, preventing wax splatter. It's quick, easy, and safe. Use the dipper to gently push the wick into the wax, sealing it to prevent smoking and smoldering. It's the perfect finishing touch. We stand behind our product with a 100% satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year return policy. Contact us anytime with questions. We're here to help. What we like. The included tray keeps your surface clean. Its sleek matte black finish is modern and sophisticated. If you value convenience and a worry-free purchase, this set is for you. What people say. Sturdy and have some weight. Not cheap looking or feeling, high quality. Functions well. Wick trimming is made easier with these tools and serves to better control the candle flame. The candle flame snuffer is easy to use and a safer option than blowing out a candle flame. It also serves to minimize candle wick smoke. Recommended. The appearance is a beautiful black. It's sharp and durable. Perfect length to cut the width of my candles. Great performance from this set. Number 2. RONXS 3-in-1 Candle Set. This elegant set is a must-have for any candle lover. It includes everything you need for a safer, cleaner, and longer-lasting candle experience. Trim your wicks easily to prevent soot and extend your candle's life. Its curved design makes trimming effortless. Extinguish your candle safely and cleanly with the snuffer and dipper, preventing wax splatters and wick smoldering. Made of polished stainless steel with a sleek black finish, it's built to last. Enjoy a cleaner, safer burn every time. The snuffer can be hung for easy access, and the dipper features elegant carving. It's a perfect gift for any candle enthusiast. Purchase with confidence. We offer a 30-day return policy and 12 months of technical support. We're here to help. What we like. This set offers all the essential tools for candle care. The black finish is classic and versatile. If you appreciate a well-designed, functional set, this one's for you. What people say. All three pieces look exactly as pictured and function as they should. Out of the package, the wick snipper works fantastic. My candles are in better shape, no sparking and no black chunks of wick in the melted wax. The candle wick trimmer and candle cutter make it easy to maintain my candles, ensuring a clean and even burn. The snuffer is a handy addition, allowing me to extinguish candles safely without the risk of blowing wax or hot embers around. Number 1. RONXS 3-in-1 Candle Kit. This kit has everything you need for perfect candle care. It helps extend the life of your candles and makes them safer to burn. Trim your wicks to prevent soot and enjoy a longer burn time. Use the dipper to snuff out your candle cleanly and safely. This snuffer is designed to prevent hot wax from splattering. It's perfect for tapered candles. It's made of polished stainless steel for durability and a sleek look. You'll enjoy clean trims and safer candle burning. The curved trimmer and wall-mountable snuffer make it easy to use and store. The dipper features elegant carving. Beautifully packaged, it's an ideal present for any candle lover. It adds a touch of elegance to any home. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll replace it. Enjoy. What we like. This set has all the tools you need for perfect candle care. The rose gold finish is both elegant and modern. If you're looking for a beautiful and functional set, this is the one for you. What people say. They are heavy duty and look so elegant. The wick trimmer works great. The sniffer is great as well and is much better than blowing out the candles. I use the stick to take debris out the wax and to pop bubbles. The combo of the three is better than expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.